Programming languages that open doors.
Choosing the right programming language can shape your technology career. Some languages unlock numerous roles across development, data science, and beyond. In this video, you'll discover the languages that offer the broadest range of career possibilities and why employers value them in today's fast-paced tech industry.
Python, universally in demand.
Python is one of the most versatile languages in tech. It powers web development, automates tasks, supports data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and even cybersecurity. Its clear syntax and massive library support make it a top pick for both beginners and professionals seeking opportunities across diverse tech fields.
JavaScript, the web's backbone.
JavaScript is essential for web development, both front-end and back-end. As applications move online, JavaScript skills are key for building interactive websites, mobile apps, and even server-side programs using frameworks like Node.js. Its versatility keeps it in demand across startups and large tech companies.
Java, enterprise, and beyond.
Java is a foundation for large-scale applications and enterprise systems. It's widely used in Android development, banking, cloud solutions, and big data tools. Java's reliability and scalability mean tech professionals skilled in Java can explore roles in many sectors like finance, healthcare, and e-commerce.
SQL, the universal data skill.
SQL is the must-know language for anyone working with data. Whether you're in software development, business analysis, or data engineering, SQL helps manage and analyze data stored in databases. It pairs well with other programming languages and is frequently required in data-driven positions.
Expanding career options through language choice.
Learning versatile programming languages opens doors across tech careers. By becoming proficient in Python, JavaScript, Java, or SQL, you can adapt to changing job markets, tackle a variety of projects, and stand out to employers seeking adaptable, skilled professionals. Choose languages that align with your interests for a strong, future-ready tech career.